Today's video is a plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I use our new Hobonichi cousin hourly. This is a few weeks back when I was testing it, so it looks completely different. But before that, let me show you my pre-planning sticky notes. I use the pink ones for important things per day. So you can see it has Monday on it. The next one, in the square one, that's marble print, I show my goals of the week. And then for all the events that are non-negotiable, that's completely really gonna happen, then it's gonna be on the cloud. So let's start with a clean page. Let me show you the Hobonichi cousin hourly first. This is in motivation, I think. No, it's in pink marble. Motivation is a Hobonichi weeks. My apologies. So I'm going to start with the larger and longer date cover-ups. Careful when peeling off the sticker because it will tear off the page. Just be very careful. Don't do what I did. I'm gonna work on my sidebar next. I just put down that box. It's not supposed to be there, it's supposed to be at the bottom, but I thought I'd put one up there. Maybe I'll make modifications in the future. Wow, I'm not doing this in order, I am sorry. But for the bottom bar, you get a grid sticker that is fitted to the bottom. It covers number 4 and you should have it up until 9 o'clock, I think. Or 10 o'clock, something along those lines. And now moving back to the sidebar, I have a checklist. Well, it's like a grid, also like a checklist, and then 4 habit trackers instead of the 2 that was in the previous format. And then that box sticker right there where you can write your priorities or goals or important things that are happening for that week. I also provided smaller sidebar boxes that you can use if you want to segregate things and such like. I'm also pulling up that deco there, or rather putting down. I'm also going to put down my weekend script sticker that's basically the same as the last one. I put it down there because I tore off that page and it's slightly not aligned. It is actually very misaligned. So I'm sorry if that is something that annoys you. I just can't do anything else. I'm also going to be using a new fountain pen, yay, to write down dates of the week. This is the Lamy Vista. It is pretty with an ink that is gonna run out pretty soon in this video, I think, or just after. This is the Lit de Thé. If I'm pronouncing that improperly, I'm sorry. So I just filled out the days of the week in the top box, and then my habit trackers, I follow that up with goals of the week in the bigger box. That is my school goals. And then for the middle size box, that's my shop goals. And then at the bottom, I put down my weekly focus, which is to make sure that my week is productive because there are days where it's holidays and I don't want to just binge on Westworld. Here I've put down energy management instead of time management because time management for me is about organizing tasks and how long it takes, with emphasis on time frames, but I prefer energy management where tasks are categorized depending on the energy I spend on it. I feel like it's more fluid and more realistic for me. You don't have to do this, but hey, if you like energy management better, then that is twinsies for us. Because sometimes you just stack up all the things that you need to do and then you realize that a lot of those things take up a lot of energy and then it leaves you with no energy at the end of the day. So for the top box, I just wrote down the things that are going to be happening that day. And for the bottom box, I am writing down my daily to-do. So as you can see, it leaves you a lot of space to write down hourly things. And for that, I will be using those tiny little labels that are included in the kit. Those will not cover the time. They're designed to stay butt up against the line of the next day, not covering the time. So those, I would write down major tasks or major appointments, any appointment, or major to-dos. Mini tasks go directly onto the paper so that it's not confusing, and I am able to categorize what is important for me at that time. And as you can see here, I'm just writing lines on the page and doodling a little bit for some of the stuff. I'm gonna save those labels later, as well as those fewer decos. And that's it. Oh, sorry for that. That's it! Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like some more planning videos, please subscribe to paperjoyph. And if you're already subscribed, please don't forget to click that notification bell to know if I'm posting anything new. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!